Hi, Professor Tia and Matt. Thank you for your patience with me as I went through some difficult times this quarter. And I just want to present the uh, process of how I created the content for assignment 1. So it began by taking a peek into my interests of videography. And I'm personally interested in advertisements, trailers, movies, and the creation of any other video. And it seemed appropriate to apply this interest to this assignment. The idea first came from trying to make a commercial for really anything. Then the importance of evoking emotion and creating something that I would be excited for became more important. And so I thought of making something that was like humorous, satirical remarks on like big successful companies like Apple, because I've seen videos on YouTube and they're pretty funny to me. So I thought it would be cool to try to remake them only using free AI software available to me on the internet. In order to begin this process, I made a list of the things that I needed to do and what AI could help me do. And so in that, I needed several tools that could help me generate ideas, to edit the clips, to create clips, and to create a story and give character to the video. So I used ChatGPT for the initial brainstorming and research part of the project because it was the most accessible and the quickest resource to get my ideas flowing. The most challenging part about using ChatGPT was to generate new ideas for the script and to get ChatGPT to combine two scripts. Maybe it was like the lack of detailed explanation to what I was looking to get from the AI, but I did not get many new ideas on what to actually do for the project. But it wasn't until I asked what are commercials for to get the purpose of where I was trying to get, that it gave me the idea to make a humorous commercial. So then I thought of making a satirical YouTube video to see if like I could recreate some that I had seen in the past that are pretty entertaining. InVideo was a very useful tool I found to just get started, and I gave it the transcript that ChatGPT created for me, and it gave me a voice, a video, and transitions. The difficult part about using the software was editing the parts of the video piece by piece. It gave me a whole file and I couldn't edit them, at least on the free online version, to edit the individual clips. It would just give me the option to give it more instructions and it would edit it itself with the AI. It was also pretty low quality and the video clips were not that great on the free version. This would have been my first iteration of the project, and the following steps would be revision, and because I wasn't satisfied with the product. But I did really like the voice and the way that it conveyed the idea. So next up, I used Deep AI image generator to just give me ideas, or I mean images on the video and create more like related content by making images that I could just directly add to the video. And I also used Animaker I wanted to give this video a face to the voice, but I didn't want to go for a real human face because I wanted more freedom to move the character around and give him different expressions without being too creepy. The software is incredibly difficult to use for video editing. I tried to use it to edit the whole video, but it uses different frames and the format to organize the animation versus the voice, and I couldn't really work with two different types of media. So it took a long time for the learning curve to settle in, and it just made the actions happen, and just making the actions happen and timing them to the audio was not possible to do simultaneously. So the AI wasn't really. CapCut was not AI, but I think it does have features that I didn't find earlier in the project that are AI. I'm not sure if they are available for free, um, but I used a CapCut to make the final edits on the video until I was satisfied. And it also gave me free stock videos to use too, and that's what I inserted. So yeah, um, again, thanks for waiting on me to uh, submit this project. And yeah, I was impressed that I could make a video that is like somewhat intelligible and made some people laugh using only like my web browser on my laptop. Um, but in conclusion, I don't think free AI tools available online are sufficient to create quality content. I would have to invest money into the AI systems to truly find out if AI is a helpful tool to support creativity and productivity for at least video production. For a student like myself, AI can create low quality content that just brings across the point. I could use these tools in the future, maybe to create rough drafts, or like brainstorm and make like a presentable design of an idea to communicate with like teammates or coworkers to have something to discuss as we progress with like a project. So yeah, that was my experience with AI and how it can create content related to creativity and productivity. So yeah, thanks for your attention
Grand
and
scheme of things,
have
why
a
be run of the
good
mill when you can be
week.
spectacularly, Apple-tastically unique?